If you're tired of those pesky YouTube ads interrupting your favorite videos, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to block YouTube ads for free and hassle free. No more interruptions, just pure uninterrupted content. Let's dive right in. So if you're trying to watch a video like this one, and you don't want disturbing ads similar to this one, by the end of this video, you will be able to enjoy your videos without being interrupted by disturbing ads like this one. I'm going to show you how you can block ads permanently so you can continue to enjoy your videos seamlessly without having to watch and interrupting ads similar to this one. We are going to block YouTube ads by installing AdGuard Chrome extension on our Chrome browser. Click on a new tab and type in Chrome Web Store. Click on Chrome Web Store. Click on Extensions and search for AdGuard. Search for it. Click on AdGuard. Click on Add to Chrome. Add the extension to your Chrome. Now we have installed AdGuard Ad Blocker on our Chrome browser. Now go back to your video. Click on Refresh. You can see the ad has already been successfully removed. Now you can go ahead and watch your video. And there you have it, folks. A simple, effective way to bid farewell to those annoying YouTube ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Happy ad-free watching. See you next time with another video. Goodbye.